everybody, I'm back with another video. So today's video is gonna be a slick back, and I think I'm just gonna get right into it. So sorry if I'm starting too quick. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. I think I'm gonna do a side part because I don't do those often. I stopped doing them actually because you kind of want to make sure it's kind of framing your face a little bit. Make sure it's, kind of what fits your head. And I wish I could find my rat tail, but I cannot find a rat tail comb for nothing. So this is most definitely gonna have to work. Most def gonna have to work. And the items you're gonna need for this look is a spray bottle, edge control if you need some. I have Eco Styler gel as well. Girl, I look rough, ooh. Anyways, we're gonna ignore that right now. Eco Styler gel or a gel of your choice, whatever. This, well, you don't have to get this, but some type of oil to put on your hair, honey, and a hair toothbrush if you want to lay your edges. But of course I'm going to lay my edges, so that's what I'm going to use. So okay, yeah, now I'm going to spray a little bit more water on my hair because I did have like built of gel on my hair. So I'm just trying to make sure all of that is out. And make sure you have a brush. That's like the key thing. So I might not need a lot of gel, y'all, because you know how like sometimes you already have hella built up gel, so you really don't need much gel on your hair anymore. That's how my hair is right now. Okay. Honestly, that part is funky. Okay, here you go. I always lose a comb or something while I'm trying to do my hair, and that's never good. Y'all, I wish I had that red tail. Okay, that'll work. Okay guys, so basically you guys are about to see what I'm doing. I really didn't plan on doing a voiceover or whatever like that, so this might just be a little snippet of a voiceover. Yeah, so basically, I mean, it's self-explanatory pretty much, basically, from what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm applying gel. Even though I said in the video I wasn't gonna apply hella gel, I still apply hella gel. So I mean, basically, I don't listen to myself when I'm talking. So anyways, and I was talking my butt off thinking I was gonna post it like that, but clearly I guess I changed my mind and decided to do a voiceover. Now what I'm doing, I'm brushing my hair. I'm trying to brush it into place. And like I said, guys, to get this as smooth as possible, you're really going to need to make sure you comb out your hair before, especially if you're natural, make sure you comb out your hair before you start trying to put it in a ponytail, because you just want to get this as flat as possible. It is a slick back ponytail, so I mean, you don't want no bumps and bruises all up in your head and stuff like that. But anyways, yeah, don't neglect the back or anything like that. I know some people, they brush their hair and forget the back, because sometimes I do, but that's where it comes into play, where you have to look back there and don't forget about all that. So yeah, basically I'm trying to frame it, is that right? Frame it to where I know, like, I don't even know what I'm trying to say, y'all. Sorry about that, but I'm basically just trying to get it as slick as possible, trying to make it come together. So yeah. And I might stop this voiceover soon because it really gets so self-explanatory, y'all, that I really don't even have to speak. I mean, because a ponytail anyways just kind of you know, it's kind of, you know, easy, simple. I'm just basically trying to show y'all how I lay it down, basically. And then I do my edges at the end. I'm pretty sure y'all done seen 3 million videos on edges, because I have, or whatever like that. So, yeah, girl. And I think I'm going to be brushing my hair for like 10 minutes because I'm still brushing my hair. I thought I sped that up, guys. I really thought I sped it up. Right now, it's like 3 a.m. where I am. No, I'm just kidding. It's like 11 something, and I'm really kind of getting tired because, y'all, I got a bedtime. But anyways, this besides the point. Girl, make sure you get your hair slicked down. That's the goal. That's what I'm trying to do in the video. And so I really had to kind of start over a little bit because, yeah, I didn't, you know, I wanted it kind of on my face, like bangy type. I don't know how to explain it, but I kind of wanted some of my hair on my face. So yeah, that's where I started brushing it and gelling it down to my face up there a little bit, so that it could be really cute or whatever like that. Most of the times I don't put it on my face, but I'm glad I did this time because I'm going to start doing it like that. And now I think I'm actually about to put it in a ponytail in a second. About time, girl. About time. So yeah, you just want to make sure everything's laid down, everything's smooth. And if everything is not smooth and you're still going to do your edges, you can use your toothbrush to finish smoothing down a few things. But for the most part, when you're using that brush, make sure everything is smooth before you get to the toothbrush part, if you use a toothbrush for your hair. Because you girls know, if you know you use a toothbrush, you know you go back in at the end with your toothbrush and make sure everything's smooth, just like I'm doing right now. So I'm smoothing everything down. That makes it extra smooth, actually. So guys, if you don't use a toothbrush or do your edges, I would recommend doing it because it actually kind of makes everything kind of smoother. Like, I don't know how to say it, but anyways, it makes your life so much easier and your hair so much prettier. Yeah, right now I'm doing the baby hairs or whatever like that, doing my edges. I actually liked how I turned out today. So yeah, I'm kind of just swooping it. I usually don't do it like that, simply because I don't wear my hair slicked back like that a lot. So this was kind of different. This was kind of cute. It was really cute. Got a lot of compliments. So when you guys do your hair like this, I'm sure you guys are gonna get a lot of compliments. Anyways, I'm starting to sound a little bit crazy, y'all. Like, seriously, I guess, because the sleep is really coming down on me. I'm trying not to be so weird on here right now. But, yep. And I know I'm not the only person who does my sideburns. Sideburns are so freaking cute. So, I ended up fixing this side because I didn't like how that was right there. Kind of, I don't know. I like mine pointy at the end, the sideburn, for some reason. And finish laying your hair down, girl. I guess I'll be done with that part in a minute. So yeah, and guys, don't forget to moisturize your hair when you're doing this. I actually forgot to put that moisturizer I showed y'all, that grease I showed y'all in the beginning, in there, but my hair was already super moisturized anyway because I just deep conditioned not too long ago, probably a week ago, and I put like so much oil in my hair, and I oil it almost every day anyway. So I mean, it was already pre-oiled up. But guys, make sure if your hair is dry, don't be, you know, trying to put excessive oil and stuff like that on your hair, because it can cause breakage as well as a tight ponytail. I know I put my ponytail on there extremely tight, and I usually don't do that. I had to loosen my ponytail up because it was so tight. But anyways, you can see me doing my sideburn on my other side, and I'm fixing that one because, like I said, it wasn't pointy and it didn't look right, and I get a little OCD with my hair sometimes. So, okay, guys, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and this completes this look. All right, throw a little water back there, and we're good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you, guys. Okay, y'all, I'm acting a little weird today. I don't know why, but I'm just a little bit hyped. My mom finna come home and make some tacos. So, anyway, that's besides the point. Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.